Hello, my beautiful children. As you know, I am Fareen Miss. Today, we are going to study first chapter in maths, that is basic concepts in geometry. The first thing that we'll see is point. A point is a tiny dot. It can be given name. Capital letters of alphabets are used to name a point. Children, here we will be seeing 2 points, point A and point B. Next is line. In mathematics, when we say line, it means a straight line. This line L can be named line AB or line BA. It has arrowheads on both the sides. That means it can be extended as much as we want to. In the figure, you can see that AB is a part of line AB. So, line segment is a part of line. A line segment has 2 points, showing its limit. They are called endpoints. We write the line segment AB as seg AB. A ray is a part of line. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. The starting point of a ray is called origin. An arrowhead is drawn to show that the ray starting from point A is infinite in the direction of point B. It is named as ray AB. We cannot name it as ray B. Concurrent lines. When two or more lines pass through one point, they are called concurrent lines. Here, various lines are passing through point P, and the point which they pass through is called point of concurrence. Here, point P is the point of concurrence. Collinear points. Three or more points which lie in a single straight line are said to be collinear points. Here in the figure, you can see point A, point B and point C are in the same line. Therefore, point A, point B and point C are collinear points. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. So, point D, point E and point F are non-collinear points. Thank you, children.